Hey, this is Tom Nunamaker with Rithmic Corporation. Today we're going to explore a game-changing technique for prop futures traders with Rithmic accounts. So if you're trading with firms like Apex Trader Funding, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, or any of them that use Rithmic, you need to watch this video. We all know the pain of blowing up a valuation of funded accounts. I personally have blown up many accounts by going on tilt and not having that safety net in place. I discovered a foolproof way to prevent blowing up my accounts, and I wish I had done this sooner because it would have saved me a lot of headaches. So I'm going to show you how to do that with your setting your own risk parameters directly on the Rithmic servers. This gives you an extra layer of protection against those account ending mistakes. This technique could be your key to success. It might save you from another reset, whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginning prop firm trader. So let's jump in and see how to safeguard your accounts in a smarter risk management way at the server level. So you're looking at a trader dashboard from the Rithmic platform. So you have your account, and by the way, if you want to change these fonts, you can just right click and go column font, and I just usually set the ones I want to monitor to bold and 11 point, and they show up. Oops, reset it to let's do bold and 11 point like that. So it's easier to see. Otherwise, it's kind of this really small type. I think it's 8 point. But anyway, to get the risk stuff going, we want to right click on this, or you can go Control E if you click on it. You want to view risk parameters. So this will bring this up. You don't need to keep showing that. Now there's 3 tabs up here, and the one we want is this risk parameters set by the trader. First thing we do is we want to double click on this and click enabled. And now there's a couple choices here. In the past, I was just doing loss limit. And what that does is if your daily loss has exceeded this limit, it will close your open positions and cancel the working orders, and you're done trading for the day with that account. Now the problem is, especially with trader or with firms like Apex that have a trailing drawdown, if you make $1,000 and then you draw down to minus 500, and okay, it'll stop you, but now you've used up $1,500 of your trailing drawdown, and on a $25,000 account, that's 60% of your drawdown is gone. So instead of using the loss limit, which is fine for things that do end of day accounting like Top Step or Take Profit Trader, but Apex has the trailing drawdown, so does Flexi Trade. So then you want to use this trailing minimum account balance. Then you just set what your threshold is. So say you have a $2,500 drawdown, you don't want to lose, say, 20% of that or $500. So you'll set that here, hit apply, okay. And now when you're trading, if you lose $500 off the bat, it's going to liquidate your positions and your open orders. If you've gone up that $1,000 and you start drawing down, and now you're up 500, so you've lost 500 of the 1,000 you've already made. Same thing, now it's a trailing drawdown. It'll close you out, and your trailing drawdown will only be down $500, so be it 2,000 instead of the previous example, it'll be down to 1,000. So this will save you quite a bit of headaches, and it will, if you take too many trades or too big of a position and the market goes against you, this will stop you out and save your bacon. So a really nice technique. So again, just to recap, you open this, log into the Rithmic platform, the RTrader, go to the trader dashboard, find your account, right click on it, view risk parameters set by trader. You want to enable it and I use the trailing minimum account balance. That's a trailing drawdown. Again, if you're using like Top Step or Take Profit Trader, anything that does end of day accounting, then the daily loss limit is fine. But Apex, you definitely want to use this trailing minimum account balance. Set the number you want to use, hit apply, okay, and you're good to go. So that's it. Hope you enjoy it, and hope you don't have to reset your accounts as often, and you keep your funded accounts. So that's it. Have a great day. Good luck trading, and we'll see you next time.